Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious and easy garlic soup. First, gather your ingredients. About 10 cloves of fresh garlic, 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, and some crusty bread. You'll also need a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. Begin by peeling and thinly slicing all the garlic. This preparation is key to releasing its wonderful aroma and flavor into the soup. Once your garlic is lightly golden, it's time to add the liquid. Pour in about 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. You can also include a bay leaf or a sprig of fresh thyme for extra aroma. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the garlic is incredibly tender. This slow simmer allows all the flavors to truly develop. After simmering, your garlic soup is almost ready. For a classic touch, toast some slices of day-old crusty bread until golden brown. These make perfect croutons or a side for dipping. Ladle the warm, fragrant soup into bowls. You can finish each serving with a sprinkle of fresh parsley, a dash of black pepper, or a drizzle of good quality extra virgin olive oil for added richness. Enjoy this simple, comforting meal. This easy garlic soup is wonderful on its own, but it's also a fantastic base for variations. Consider adding a poached egg to each bowl for a richer texture and extra protein. You could also stir in some fresh spinach or kale during the last few minutes of cooking for added greens and nutrients. For a creamy version, blend a half cup of heavy cream into the soup before serving. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Experiment and make this soup your own.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.